Hi everyone, welcome to Unit 6, Week 3, Day 5. So today is Friday, and we're going to start off with some phonemic awareness. So I'm going to say a word, and we're going to break it into parts. Wrist. Break it into sounds. Wrist. Ist. 4. Mouse. Ow. 3. Flight. I. 4. Cheese. 3. No. 2. Graze. Okay, so now that was 4. And then now I'm going to say a word and change a sound, and it'll make a new word. So gnaw, change the ah to oo, new. Right, change the I to o, wrote. Night, change the I to o, note. Blue, change the oo to o, blow. Okay, so because this is our 5th day doing this, I will count to 3 and then let you do it. 3, 2, 1, knee. 3, 2, 1, right. 3, 2, 1, gnaw. And yes, you'll see that it's like a rainbow, which is kind of fun. Okay, so this one is a little tricky. We'll read this and then I'll try to explain this. 3, 2, 1, wrong. Now this time, you're going to put a T with a super E. So 3, 2, 1, wrote. Change the ah to I, so ri, and change the t to st. So 3, 2, 1, wrist. Change the st to ng. 3, 2, 1, ring. Change the ing to n. So 3, 2, 1, wren. And remember, wren is a bird. Add a ch to the end of the word. 3, 2, 1, wrench. Okay, very nice job. Okay, so I'm going to give you 3 seconds, and then we're going to move on. 3, 2, 1, rights. 3, 2, 1, knee. 3, 2, 1, knock. 3, 2, 1, wrong. 3, 2, 1, wrote. 3, 2, 1, gnat. 3, 2, 1, night. 3, 2, 1, wrist. 3, 2, 1, wrap. 3, 2, 1, gnaw. 3, 2, 1, wreck. 3, 2, 1, new. Oh, here are some compound words. 3, 2, 1, kneepad. 3, 2, 1, snowball. 3, 2, 1, wristwatch. 3, 2, 1, moonlight. 3, 2, 1, baseball. 3, 2, 1, daydream. 3, 2, 1, homework. 3, 2, 1, doghouse. There's still a few. This is not a compound word, so we're just going to read this one. 3, 2, 1, caught. Here's another compound word. 3, 2, 1, strawberry. That one's kind of tricky. 3, 2, 1, suitcase. 3, 2, 1, toothbrush. Okay, so once again, we've been going. For your spelling today, you'll actually be taking a test. You can either take it online using Nearpod, or you can even go online and have Miss Hillig read the words to you, and you can take it on your paper. So we are practicing WR and the W silent, KN and the K silent, and GN and the G silent. Okay, so here is our story for today. Naughty Pine Park. So here are some words we'll see. It's, said, something, oh there's a compound word, of, our, you, have, their, they. Okay, let me put this up here. So, Naughty Pine Park. Oh, let me move this over here. Wren and her pals met at Naughty Pine Park. "It's fun to swing and climb," said Wren. "But let's do something new. Let's make a parade," said Knox. "Yes," cried Wren, "we can dress up." So Wren is a bird, but it can also be the name of a person. "I'll wear my dad's funny hat," Sasha said. "Mom got it for him, but it's the wrong size." "That's great," said Wren. "Our parade will be lots of fun." Wren wrapped an old sheet around her. She knotted it on the side. She got a drum and a cane. Then she marched to Knox's house. Knox wore a shiny black cape. He pulled a paper bird from his top hat. "You really have a knack," that means like you're good at it. "You really have a knack for tricks," said Wren. "Mom helped me use scissors to make this bird," Knox said. Sasha wore her dad's funny hat. "This is my cat Lamb," Sasha said. "I designed this dress for her." "Your cat knows lots of tricks," said Knox. Wren, Knox, and Sasha marched down the street. Lamb danced in her fancy dress. The three kids and Lamb made quite a scene. People watched the parade from their windows. At last, Wren, Knox, and Sasha reached the park. Kids stopped swinging. Kids stopped climbing. They clapped and cheered. The Naughty Pine Park Parade was a big hit. Okay, so we're going to go over compound words once again. So we're going to break these ones apart. Remember, a compound word is two smaller words that make a bigger word. So the word is kneepad. Let's break it apart. Knee-pad. One second. Knee-pad. Haircut. Hair-cut. Haircut. Toenail. Toe. Nail. Toenail. Doghouse. Dog. House. Doghouse. Football. 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 Okay, so here are the high frequency words we've been working on today. Been. The children have been here all day. Children. The children have been here all day. Month. This is the first month in the year. Question. Their group has a question it would like to ask. Their group has a question it would like to ask. Year. This is the first month of the year. Okay, so this week we've been working on special pronouns. They're also called indefinite pronouns because it doesn't tell you exactly who's talking or who we're talking about or what we're talking about. So something could be something. Someone could be some person. We don't know who it is. Okay, so I'm going to read these and I will give you 3 seconds to find our indefinite pronoun. I like everything about playing outside. 3, 2, 1. Everything. Everything literally means everything. Okay. I will play anything that has running and jumping. 3, 2, 1. Anything means literally anything. So she likes anything that has running and jumping. Here's another one. So once again, my indefinite pronouns are everything and anything. Okay. Okay, next, nobody likes when it rains. 3, 2, 1. Nobody. My indefinite pronoun is nobody. And nobody means no special person or no body. Okay, here's another one. But if somebody thinks of a good indoors game, everyone can still have fun. See, that one's a little tricky because there are two hiding. Let me read it one more time. But if somebody thinks of a good indoors game, everyone can still have fun. 3, 2, 1. Somebody. So this literally means some person or some body. So we don't know who. It could be someone. body. And then last of all is everyone. And that literally means every person or everyone. Okay, friends, thanks so much for joining me this week, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.